I'm Michael Bridenstine, and next we're going to talk about the recent developments in rabies, specifically how the world is trying to treat it, new options, and things like that. So first off is World Rabies Day. This was created by the Center for Disease Control and the Alliance for Rabies Control in 2007. It's primarily something to go and talk to people to help them be more informed, to know what to do, to avoid suspicious animals, to go to the hospital if they get bitten. But another important part of it is more than just talking to the people around the world, it's talking to the governments to help government agencies know how to combat rabies in their area. Specifically, the biggest push of that organization, that event, and other just the world around is to control rabies through vaccination, particularly of dogs. Dogs is the primary way that humans get the rabies disease. The focus for the current development of the world is on Asia and Africa. Those are the places which have the greatest number of victims to rabies compared to the rest of the world. And the great thing about the vaccine is most vaccines, you get it to prevent the disease before you get it, but the rabies vaccine actually works as a treatment when you could have it, like if you're bitten by a dog. That's pretty cool. On this forefront of rabies vaccines, there's been a couple of different advances. I'm going to talk about two of them. The first is VRG, which was made by merging rabies and vaccinia, which is a type of animal smallpox, cows, horses mostly. And what they did is they took a specific glycoprotein in the rabies and they put it in the vaccine, in the virus for the animal pox. And thus it was able to be a new vaccine. And the best part of this vaccine is it can be taken orally, so they can drop food in a wilderness area, just little treats and stuff, and the animals will eat it, and then they'll be vaccinated. So that is really cool. That's primarily for the animals. A different vaccine being researched is unique because most vaccines give a dead bacteria or a dead virus. What this one is, it gives you a live virus. It does a live rabies vaccine. But it's been genetically modified to be unable to reproduce. It can't because it's missing a specific gene, the matrix gene. And so it goes in and infects your cells, but it can't reproduce, so you don't get sick. Your immune system immediately locks onto it because it's actually causing problems. The main benefit of this vaccine is it can be done in one dose rather than 6. And where rabies is most prevalent is developing countries, and it can be hard for the government to afford to give their people 6 different vaccine shots. And this is the sources for my information on this specific section, and thank you for watching my part of the presentation. Have a good day.